Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're putting up our holiday lights around our front garden.
We're so excited. We haven't put them up in the last couple years, so we wanted to show you. It's not really super garden care related, but we thought this would be fun for today because this is what we're doing. But before we get to all that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video. Okay, you guys, so we've got these garlands. We're not using these anywhere, so we thought these would be perfect for outside because we don't really care if they get super yucky because they're just plastic. So we're gonna put these around our rails that go up to our front porch here. So we thought that'd be cute. We're gonna figure out some lights to put on those. So that's a start.
And then we're also gonna throw some lights maybe around these beds, maybe also over by the azaleas you see far off there past the Dracaena that Allison's just right next to Allison there. And then we're gonna wanna bring them over this way and maybe on our azaleas along the path here.
Yeah, right along the sidewalk.
Yep, right along the sidewalk, and then go up our dogwood tree and then down again and then eventually over to that birch over there.
I know.
Birch.
My dream has always been to put white lights around this white paper bark birch because as most of you know, this was my favorite tree in our whole yard. So it's just so beautiful, and I think this would look so pretty with white lights. But we'll see how we end up. You know, maybe this is the same for you. Like, you might have a plan for your lights, but it ends up being something totally different.
So with all that, let's get to it. Well guys, you saw it all happen. It was interesting.
You know, like we said, it doesn't always turn out the way you hope. We kind of ran out of lights, and then a lot of our lights were not working properly, only like half the strand. So we weren't able to do the birch tree in the background, maybe next year, but that's okay.
Yep. So leave any questions or comments down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with our next garden care video, so come on back to see what we're up to.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.